these little USB hubs are very handy to have. They allow you to plug in up to 4 USB devices like I've got now. I've got 4 memory sticks in, and we are going to be testing it on 2 factors. One is how much data can it transfer at any one time using all 4 slots, and I think it will slow right down. And then the second one will be how fast it will go just by transferring 1. So this is the TC41, in case you need to know model number. So with that, let's get on with the testing then, shall we? I have 4 folders already open, and that's all 4 drives, 4 USB sticks, and 1 test folder which is on the PC. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste. So copy, and while that's going across, do another one, and it should in theory just slow down. Right, that's pretty rapid. It's faster than I was expecting it to be. So it's already done one. Yeah, very good speeds. Oh, it's slowing down a bit now, so it's probably getting a little bit warm, but still pretty good. 65 megabits and 65 megabits. That is very good. Test number 2, will it go any faster, or will it be controlled by the chips that are built inside this little device to control the speed so that you get an even balance of speed throughout? We're going to find out right now. It works perfectly. The chips are controlling the information going from A to B in an even fashion. And yeah, if you're looking for a 4-in-1 USB hub, it's quite a slimline, and it is quite thin actually, looking at the size of that, and quite light as well. If you're looking for something like this, it could be perfect for you. Definitely gets my thumbs up for the amount of money it costs. It's quite clever. There's a lot of technology inside to make sure you get your data from A to B as smoothly as possible. So with that, hope this video helps you to decide whether or not you want to buy one of these. Thank you very much for watching.